Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. Your chapter seasons and clothing, its exercise part we already started and we completed up to question C. So everyone take your book and open the page number 49 because today we will start on question D. So take your copy book with you. So here answer the following question. Question D, answer the following questions. So let's start with question 1. Why does it become hot during summer? So we all know that in summer season there are too much hot in the air also, and we sweat a lot, so we feel so warm. So why it happened? Because the sun shines directly over us. So here your answer, the sun shines directly over us, so it become hot during summer. So check the answer and you can copy those answers in your copy book. That is the question 1. Now go to the question number 2. That is, why do farmers wait for the rain? Farmers eagerly wait for the rain, right? So why they wait for rain? Question number 2. Farmers wait for the rain. Do you know why they wait for the rain? Because rain provides water for the crops to grow. We know those crops need water to grow big, right? So rain provides those water to grow those crops. So that's why farmer waits eagerly for rain. Okay? You can check the answer from the board. Next, go to the question number 3. So I have to erase the question number 1 now. So what is the question number 3? What do we do to protect ourselves from the cold in winter? This is winter season. So what are you now doing, or what you do in this season or in winter to protect ourselves from the cold? One thing you all know, that in winter we wear woolen clothes, right? These things you already learned previously. So let's write here. We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes like sweater, coats, and take hot drink. Take hot drinks like tea, coffee, and also use heater or small fire to protect ourselves from the cold in winter. You can see the answer is little bit lengthy, so you have to remember because that's we can relate it with our life, and it's with our reality also. So you can remember it easily, but answer is lengthy. You have to write also in your copy book. So I am repeat it again. We wear woolen clothes like sweater, coats. You can erase this sweater or coats also. You can also write the we wear woolen clothes only. So I am giving the bracket here. We wear woolen clothes and take hot drinks. Here also like tea, coffee. I am giving the bracket from tea and coffee. And also use heaters or small fire to protect ourselves from cold in winter. So we wear woolen clothes, we take hot drinks, and we use the heater and light small fires also to keep ourselves warm. Okay, so that is your answer of question number 3. Okay, now I have to erase the answer. Next question number 4, that what do we do to protect ourselves from the heat in summer? Just now we discussed about what do we do to protect ourselves in winter, right? Now you have to write what do you do to protect yourselves in summer. So that thing, something you know, that we wear lightweight, light colored clothes in this season to keep us cool, and we use the air conditioner, fan, ceiling fan, hand fan, table fan also to keep ourselves cool. So I am erasing it. We wear loose white cotton clothes and use fans, cooler and air conditioner. And some people go to hill station for pleasant weather. Okay, this answer is also little lengthy, and I am repeat it again. We wear loose white cotton clothes and use fans, coolers and air conditioners, and some people go to hill station for pleasant weather. As because here is little hot, too much hot actually, too much hot, so that's why some of us or people like to go hill station in summer season, because their weather is so pleasant and cool also that in that time. And we also use the cotton clothes, that thing you already learned, right? The light colored clothes or lightweight or loose clothes also. And that time we use the table fan, ceiling fan, air cooler, air conditioner to keep ourselves cool. So those things we do at summer season to protect ourselves from the heat. Okay. So you can check the answer from the board also. Now go to the next page at page number 50. Here tick the correct answer. Question E, tick the correct answer. That's a valuable corner questions. You know, I am reading it and you have to choose the correct option. So Pratyaksh donates his old woolen clothes every year in an orphanage. What do you learn from Pratyaksh? So Pratyaksh, he has woolen clothes, and every year he donates his old woolen clothes to orphanage. So what do you learn from Pratyaksh? Because he didn't waste his woolen clothes, he didn't turn it, he didn't waste it, he just